Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable the shaders option in Minecraft using TLauncher. So as you can see, when I go to options then video settings, there is no shaders option at all. And yeah, that moment is really frustrating. You're like, bro, where did that option even go? But don't worry, the fix is actually super simple and it's kind of funny too. Alright, first thing, close the game completely. Now come back to TLauncher. Here's where most people make the mistake. By default, TLauncher is set to release version, and when you play like that, shaders will never show up. So what we need is OptiFine. Down here in the version list, just click and select any OptiFine version. Honestly, it doesn't matter which one, just pick OptiFine. Once you select it, TLauncher will start downloading. The file size is small, so it won't take long. Just wait for it to finish. Now Minecraft will open again. This time when I go to options, video settings, there you go guys, shaders option is finally showing up. Now you can click it, add your shader packs, enable whatever shader you want, and you're done. That's it guys, simple, quick, no time wasted. If this helped you, you already know what to do. See you in the next one.